how to create Gemini Gem. Okay, so as you can see, I've been able to create mine, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do yours. All that you have to do is simply go to Google and then come and search for Gemini and then hit enter. Come and then select the official site of Google Gemini by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to Google Gemini. Okay, and then when you look at the top left corner, you see that we have the menu. Come and then click on it. So when you click on it, you see that among it we have the gems here. Okay, so come and click on explore gems. So when you click on it, over here you see that we have gem manager, and among them you see that we have some of the gems created right here. So now all that you have to do is simply create yours. So when you come here, you see that you will see your gems here just like this. In front of it you will see new gem. Come and then click on it. So when you click on it, over here simply come and then click on got it. Okay, and the first thing that you have to do for your gem is to come and then name it. Okay, so mine, I'm going to name it as website builder. Okay, so after naming it, come and then describe. This should be in detail. Okay, what you want your gem to do for you, the exact description. So mine is to build a professional website for me in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can come and then add files as well. If you want to add files, you can come and then click on add files from here. And then from here, you see that we have my gem here, and then you can come and then test it. Okay, so let me test it by saying I want a coffee website, and then I come and then click on the submit button. So as you can see, it has generated everything that I need to have my coffee website come to life. Okay, and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so now that I'm okay with my gym, it's working perfectly fine. I have to save it. Okay, so when you look here, you see that it says gym not saved. Simply come and then click on save. And when you click on save, that is it. You see that your gym has been created. You can come and click on start chat, and you can come and then try it. So let me exit hi, and then hit submit. And as you can see, it has responded and it says that it is here to help me build my website. Okay. So when you look at the top left hand corner, you see that you have the menu again. When you click on it, so over here where you have the gems, you see that the gem that we created is being added. When you come and click on the three dots, you can come and then delete or you can edit it. Okay, so this is exactly how you can create a gem.